All right, we're gonna go over a couple of things on the doors. Basically, we're gonna talk about the turnbuckles. Sometimes you'll call in and he'll say that your doors are starting to warp, and one of the first things we will ask is, have you checked the turnbuckles? The reason why we ask that, we install these on every wooden door, and when your doors start to bow at the top and at the bottom, if you tighten these turnbuckles, it'll actually bring the doors back in, and then when you go to shut your door again, it'll make it perfectly snug back up. And to tighten them, all you need is a crescent wrench, and you spin it. If you're turning it and you see the turnbuckle start to bow, that means you're turning it the wrong direction. So you need to turn it the other way, get it nice and tight, and then that will bring your doors back flush with your other door here.